All right, May 21st here, Wednesday. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Appreciate your feedback. Where's the Prime Minister? Oh, there's Prime Minister Mazel eating greens. Okay. Enjoy your lunch, guys, gals, blades. Okay, the work continues on here. Yeah. Corners started coming apart, so I had to glue them. Got kind of corner metal braces here. And then screw them in, and I still had a little separation here, so I put this thing from an old child's toy I bought years ago at Goodwill. I've used these things in several either Under the Wings or Sightseeing with Dignity series works, or both. After all the teaching I've done over the years has been many presentations in schools in Washington State, Oregon, Missouri, Illinois, Florida, England, England, Scotland, and Wales. Thanks, Dr. Chi. Great chirping, darling. Great chirping. Nice to have fallible studio assistants. That's F-O-W-L, guys, not F-O-U-L. All right. And then I've got to get the plex cut. Yeah, it's an endeavor. Yeah. Okay. Preening and eating both, Prime Minister Mazel? Okay, why not? Why not? Okay, we've got 15 more seconds to get to 2 minutes so it doesn't end up in YouTube Shorts. Let's go say hi. Oops, low battery here.